today I'm going to be making a really simple recipe, but it's a recipe that everyone will absolutely love, and that is minced beef donuts. So we're going to start off with minced beef. I'm then going to add 1 large onion, and it's really finely diced, as you can see there. 2 mashed potatoes. That's 2 sort of medium mashed potatoes. Next I have cheese. You can use mozzarella for this. I'm just putting some cheddar in there because I think that will give it a really nice flavour. We're also going to add breadcrumbs. Now, all I did was crumbed 3 slices of bread, just 3 regular slices of sliced bread. I have paprika, 1 teaspoonful, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, because I don't like things too spicy, but you can put more in if you would like to. I have a really good teaspoon of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I'm using a vegetable stock cube. The last thing going in is an egg, just 1 egg. And I did that without getting the shell in it. Now we're going to absolutely pummel this until it's really smooth and delicious looking. Now take your time with this and make sure you've got all those spices going through, you've got all your onion going through, your breadcrumbs, because we want a nice even mix for this. You can use a spoon for this if you prefer, but it's much better like this. Now you can see that that is all mixed through beautifully. What I'm going to do now is cover this with a bit of plastic, and I'm going to put it in the fridge just to chill down for about ½ an hour and let all those flavours come together. And while that's happening, I'll get my washing up done. When my meat has rested in the fridge, and it's looking really lovely at the moment, so I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my worktop, and I'm going to start by dividing this up, and I think you'll probably get 8 pieces out of this. Now take 1 piece of your mix and make it into a ball. There we go. It's not looking too shabby. I've put it on my flour, and I'm going to just push it down and make it a nice round shape. There we go. Then I'm going to poke my finger in the middle of this. There you go. Now you may need some flour to help you do this. And then we're going to make these into donut shapes like this. Beautiful. Then I'm going to place them on a sheet here. Here we go. Put a little bit more flour down. Make it into a ball that's a little bit flat, like that. And then I'm going to poke my finger through the middle and make these that classic donut shape. How easy is this? Look at that. Beautiful. I'm going to pop this in my freezer for 20 minutes so they firm up nicely for the next bit. Well, my donuts have been in the freezer for about 20 minutes. So now it's time to get them coated up. I have some breadcrumbs in here. I've got 2 beaten eggs and I've got some flour. And I've got my trusty scraper to pick these up because I don't really want to wreck the shape. So first of all, I'm going to drop these into my flour and just give it a bit of a shake off. Next, it's going into my egg. Give it a bit of a baste with my spatula. There we go. Then I'm trying not to get my hands too dirty here. Next, it's going into my panko or breadcrumbs. Give it a little bit of a shake. And then I'm going to use another spatula just to give them a bit of a cover up. Now I'm going to pick it up. And there we go. And you just work your way through these. Well, my donuts are all ready to go. There's a number of ways you can cook these. I'm just going to fry one in a pan for a taste test. Some of these I will cook in my air fryer. And all I'll do is give them a bit of a spritz with some oil and put them in my air fryer. You can also oven fry these, or oven bake these rather. But at the moment, I'm going to just fry one because the rest of these I'm giving out for dinners for tonight. So, on a medium heat, we just need to fry these. It's a bit like doing burgers, I would imagine, but it's going to take a little bit longer than you would fry burgers for, because clearly they're a little bit thicker than that. And here we go. I'm going to drain that on a little bit of kitchen paper. Oh, look at that. Doesn't it look lovely? Nothing more to do than to try this. Oh, really crispy. Look at that. Wonderful. What I like about these is they're flavourful. You can cook these off and just have them as a snack dipped in a sauce. You could dish them up for dinner with chips or potato or something else. But these are, truly delicious. From a small amount of mince, I got these. And what another interesting way to serve mince up for dinner or for the kids. They are seriously tasty. They really are. Absolutely delicious. Well, if you liked what you saw, please like, share and subscribe to see me making more delicious, cost-effective food. Thank you for watching.